why your brain loves learning and how to make it totally addictive. Did you know your brain is basically wired to love learning? That's right. Every time you discover something new, your brain throws a little party. From feel-good chemicals to brain-boosting superpowers, learning is not just fun, it's downright addictive, in the best way. Let's explore why your brain is obsessed with learning and how you can turn it into your favorite lifelong habit. Dopamine, your brain's happy dance. Every time you crush a new goal, figure something out, or learn a cool skill, your brain rewards you with a splash of dopamine, the happiness hormone. This creates a reward loop where your brain says, "Hey, that felt awesome, let's do it again." It's like leveling up in a video game, but for your brain. The more you learn, the more you'll crave that sweet dopamine hit. Neuroplasticity, your brain's superpower. Here's the science why, but super cool part. Every time you learn something new, your brain physically changes. This process, called neuroplasticity, builds new neural pathways and strengthens old ones. Think of it like upgrading your brain's software. It gets faster, sharper, and more efficient the more you use it. And the best part? It works for life. Intrinsic motivation, the joy of learning just because. Who needs a gold star or a certificate when the process of learning itself is so exciting? For many of us, the real reward is the thrill of discovery. People with tons of interests, shout out to all the multi-potentialites, thrive on exploring new ideas simply because it's fun. Bonus points if you're learning with others. Nothing beats swapping ideas and tackling challenges together. It's in your DNA, learning as your evolutionary edge. Fun fact, your love for learning is an ancient survival tool. Back in the day, learning meant figuring out how to find food, stay safe, and work as a team. Fast forward to now, and that same drive still pushes us to grow, adapt, and thrive in modern life. Learning isn't just good for you, it's part of what makes us human. Here's how to make learning addictive in the best way. Celebrate wins. Each time you learn something new, take a moment to savor that dopamine boost. You earned it. Stay curious. Dive into topics that excite you and keep following your interests. It's way more fun that way. Learn with others. Join a group, take a class, or just chat with friends about what you're learning. Shared discoveries equal double the fun. Keep going. Every time you engage in learning, you're making your brain stronger, faster, and happier. The bottom line? Your brain loves learning, and for good reason. Whether it's dopamine fueling your motivation, neuroplasticity, upgrading your mental hardware, or the pure joy of discovery, learning is a gift you give to yourself. So embrace it, get curious, and turn learning into a lifelong adventure. Who's ready to grow, thrive, and learn something amazing today?